I always loved football, but as a kid you kind of have to choose rugby or football. So obviously I chose rugby. I think it was a good decision. All my classmates, they'd all play football for the local team and in St Bride's. And I'd always go up and watch but never play. And then, so I always sort of pined for it. And it coincides well then with opening a pub up in my home village and starting up the local football team again.
In the beginning, we were very new. None of us had played football for 10 years. You know, the average age of our team is about 38.
So probably half the team are based in the village, the other half within a few miles.
No, it's a great variety in the squad, you know. Yeah, Nick, our left back, he's 60. He won't like me for saying that, but and then we've got youngsters then, we've got 17, 18-year-olds, and then the core group are all around about my age. You know, we were all friends from school. We took a few hide-ins early on, a couple of 8-0 losses, but then, you know, it was turned around and we're dominating teams top of the league. It's obviously a lot of fun to play for Super Fox because we are playing some good football, but as you've seen today, our finishing needs improving. It's lovely today to get our kit, got all our new sponsors, all local businesses, so everyone's right behind the football team and they're supportive of the pub as well. It's just a great community feeling, it's awesome.
I always say he's still getting used to the different shaped ball, but yeah, no, he's good.
To start off, he wasn't a fantastic footballer in that, you know, he ran around so much because he's very fit, but he settled into like a Makalele role. So he sits behind, you know, he spreads the passes.
When I first started this season, I kind of liked it on the right wing. I had a bit of pace, but everyone wanted me to sort of be the engine in the middle there because I'm still quite fit somehow. So yeah, a bit of Makalele just to chop the boys down.
He's incredibly tactically minded, to be fair, and he does videos with a whiteboard, and some of the boys are like, it was quite funny.
Normally I have the tactics board with me and I talk through the tactics for the game, but yeah, I turned up a bit late today, so we just had to get on with it. Being a landlord, you know, I was in here till 3 AM last night locking up, so I was a bit worse for wear, really. It's great having banter with opposition. Everyone's really keen to nutmeg me. It seems to be a thing in football, so I've been embarrassed once or twice.
It's a combination of trying a bit harder to clatter him or taking the mickey. You know, if he puts one over the bar, we get the old hands up like that.
I've been trying to get some of the ex-rugby boys, Lee Byrne, James Hook, Mike Phillips, but I haven't quite got them involved yet. Maybe in the summer now, we'll see. That was a great moment for me personally, you know, 2005 against England. Yeah, that sort of kick-started my career, my international career, and more or less nearly had the perfect game that day. So glad I kicked that kick, you know. Hopefully Wales can rescue the season and beat England. It hasn't gone too well. But I can see what they're trying to do, so as long as we beat England, as they always say, we'll be all right. The camaraderie with the boys, the changing room, what you want to get out of the game, the team talks, then you're playing, doing what you can for each other. And because of that, I haven't missed rugby at the moment. It is something I want to get back into as well, rugby, so I'll probably play for my local team, Pencoed, because that's where I started my rugby. But no, at the moment, I'm loving my football and long may it continue.